Okay, fish farm over here. Okay, before we start, there are so many things that are common yet overlooked. Yes, in fish farming, there are so many things that we believe that people are supposed to. This is like common knowledge, but we overlook it, and people are actually making mistakes about this. So it's about feeding fishes. Yes, it's about feeding fish. That's what I'll be talking about today. So as you can see, this is us. This is me feeding my fish, and this one I'm giving to this small fish right here is called 1.5 aqualis. Can you see the size? Based on the size of my fish, I'm giving them 1.5 aqualis. That's what the name of the fish feed is called. So some people actually don't actually consider the size of their fish and their feed. They just buy, and that is very wrong. Very wrong. So the size of the fish actually determines the size of the feed that you are actually going to give them. You don't just give. So you can take out time and replay this video and actually watch. So I gave 1.5 millimeter aqualis to these small ones, to my juveniles here. What I'm doing right here now is what they call spot feeding. You just stay at the spot, then all the fish will gather, then you start dropping. It's called spot feeding. What I'm doing right here is spot feeding. And when you're doing spot feeding, at least it helps you to observe the health of your fish. And if there's one more thing you can notice about this pond is that it is very clean, and that's one thing you need to do before feeding your catfish. Always make sure that the water is clean. You can see how clean the water is. If you can go back to the other videos, if you can go back to the beginning part of the video, you see how clean the water is. So that is one more thing you need to consider when feeding your fish. Make sure your water is clean and apply spot feeding, and make sure that the size of the feed you are giving your fish is the right size. Otherwise you will just be wasting a lot of money actually, because it will be too big for them. This is looking like common knowledge, but people actually make this mistake. So just put these things into practice, and then lastly, subscribe to my channel for more, to learn more, and then comment, help me share my videos, and comment the word fish farm hub to get a feeding guide and how to raise wild catfish. Thank you.